It was her husband who first told Ezgi Karasozan that a major earthquake had struck her native land. The U.S. Geological Survey hadn't yet measured the magnitude of the event.
And then I received the email from USGS saying 7.8. And then I was like, I cried. I'm like, this is going to be bad.
Karasozan, who now lives in Colorado, grew up in Ankara, a fair distance from the quake zone.
And then an hour later or so, maybe even less, my close friend who's from Hatay sent a reply back saying, I can't get a hold of my parents.
The parents were later located, but many people she knows or knows of died on February 6th.
We are all like depressed and traumatized. Everyone from Turkey knows someone who is affected.
Karasozan experienced the deadly earthquake that devastated her country back in 1999. More recently, as a scientist, she studied the very same fault that ruptured this time. You knew that there was a potential danger here.
We know the potential of Turkish earthquakes. We know how dangerous these faults can get.
She believes warnings from experts like her after previous quakes weren't delivered forcefully enough and often enough to the public.
We need to, as scientists, need to get better with communication.
It's kind of human nature to let your guard down, though.
Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. I mean, people start to forget. They're like, oh, okay, this is not happening.
Today, the suffering in the earthquake-affected areas where many people were already living in severe hardship is very, very real.
The people were already overwhelmed with the crisis. And of course, earthquake coming now just makes it so much harder.
So Karasozan, who works for the Alaska Earthquake Center, has taken off her seismologist hard hat and assumed the role of relief organizer. Several weeks ago, her Colorado Turkish-American chapter sent out a plea for help.
Within almost hours or days, we started getting phone calls, emails, Facebook messages. How can we help? How can we send donations and everything?
She's raised $76,000 through this relief fund and collected enough tents, clothing, and cold weather gear to fill 110 pallets so far.
I know now the tracking jargon. I know like what a pallet means, how many pallets can fit into a track.
Is this kind of becoming a new job for you?
I guess so. If I stop, then I start thinking, and that's not good. I don't want to think. I just like want to act. Being away from Turkey in these times is really challenging, and you can be isolated, but I didn't feel like that.
Thanks, she says, to support from her American community.
And I'm very thankful for that.
Hendrik, Sybrandy, CGTN, Denver.